everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I've got a unboxing today. It's for Hiipoo 24 color sky epoxy resin dye. I did a test, sorry. They turned out so cute. Now, one of the things I'll say is unlike most of your traditional resin dyes that are just either transparent, translucent, or they're opaque resin dye, this one has kind of both. This one, I just used a couple of drops and got this top effect. It's translucent, but barely. And I mixed the resin and I let it set before I put the glitter in. Let me see. This one is also a yellow. This is not the one I used, but as you can tell, this is a transparent dye, a very transparent dye. So there's both. Now let's see. The one I used was it this one? It's this one, which is also an opaque type of dye. Saying opaque as because it will be opaque if you use several drops, but I just used a couple of drops again of this. This is the and I thought I'd be able to read it. Oh, yellow dye. I thought that was the one that said golden. Now see, this one says dark yellow. That is definitely not dark yellow. But anyway, again, I did let it set before I put the glitter in. So cute. I love how it turned out. It's so much, I don't want to say better. It's not better. It's closer to what I had in mind. This one is. This one, complete fail, but it turned out cute. The fail was the laying down of the vinyl, but we won't look at that. This one I didn't have that problem. So cute. I love it. I love it. Okay. I love these dyes, huh? So, I'm looking really forward to doing a little experimenting. This one's a translucent. Oh, this one is black. Oh, this one's pink. And it's an opaque. Oh. That's cool. Because I don't think I do. I might actually do, now that I said that, have an opaque resin dye set. Ooh, like that. It's a golden brown color. This one is a brown color. And this one is a coffee brown color. An orange red. Oh, I already said green. That one's apple green. White, red, light blue. This one is rose. This one is, I'm not sure, might actually be an opaque. Teal. light green. Let me shake this for a second. Oh yeah, this one is an opaque. Purple. Purples, boy, you gotta watch purples. If you plan on doing anything with purple and you're using a resin dye, literally start out with the tiniest, like a tip of a toothpick. Dip that in the resin dye before you dip it in the resin, because that will a lot of times be too much. So, peacock. That I'm not sure. Now this one is a violet, which you can even tell in the bottle is a lighter purple than the purple, which is really dark. Sky blue. Okay, this one's green. I think this other one is like apple green. Yeah. Purplish red. Purplish red. That is interesting. Let's see, that one's orange, yellow, gold. Okay. Really, really nice set. These are disposable gloves. Which I thought was very convenient. Alright, so I'm looking forward to working with these. This will be fun. The Hiipoo 24 color Sky Epoxy resin dye. Alright. It's got warnings and cautions on the end about don't may be harmful if swallowed. It may be an eye irritant. This is just the color chart. So there we go. Hiipoo 24 color resin dye. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you to Hiipoo for sending me these. I'll leave the links below to the products. Bye for now.